Defining a surface by edits. We can also define a surface by editing existing data and adding them to the new surface definition as edit operations on the surface. Among those edit operations are paste, raise/lower, add or delete points, add or delete lines, and more. Let's see how to use a couple of these edit operations. We will create an entirely new surface, a stripped surface. To create a stripped surface, from the ribbon or the prospector, create a new surface. In the Create Surface window, name the new surface EG-strip. Provide an explicit description, such as topsoil stripping. Keep the default style and render material. Click on OK. All we have done so far is create a name and style for the stripping surface. We still need to define it. To do that, first we need to paste the existing ground surface. Remember, the stripping surface is basically the existing surface that is shaved a given depth to remove the topsoil. Now, expand the EG-strip definition. Then, right-click on the Edits section and select Paste Surface. When prompted, select the existing ground surface and click OK. The EG-strip surface is now defined. However, at this stage, the existing and stripped surfaces are basically the same. That is because we have only copied and pasted the existing surface into the stripped surface. The next step is to shave the topsoil, say a depth of 15 centimeters or 6 inches. To do that, from the Surface Definition, Edits section, right-click and select Raise/Lower. For elevation, type 0.15 meters, 0.5 feet, at the command line. In the Raise/Lower command, a negative value means lowering, and a positive value means raising the surface. The stripped surface is now defined and fully functional. We will later see how to use it.